Welcome to Epic Food Discovery Channel. Today we will make an Oriental turkey soup with vegetables and spices. Let's see together how we're going to make this. First we start with the potato. We start slicing the potato. Slice it any way you want. I like to make it in small pieces, just like this. Cut it like this, small pieces. We are using for this recipe 4 potatoes. After you cut the vegetables, put them in a bowl. As you can see here, we are using potato, onion, carrot, and roots. Any kind of roots you have in the house, that's what you're going to use. And this is our turkey and butter. We're going to continue cutting the vegetables. The carrot, slice it any way you want. We make it round like this. The roots. Now the onion, we make it in big pieces, no need to chop it in small pieces, just small like this. These are the vegetables, all mixed up in a bowl, and the turkey meat. The next step is to fry the meat and the vegetables with this butter. Let's go. Now we will fry the turkey in some butter. Put the meat here for frying. It's great if the meat, in our case is the turkey meat or can be chicken, if it has as many bones as possible, it will be great. See, like this pieces here. A bit of neck as well, and thighs and chest pieces. Put everything here. Now we fry the meat for maybe 5-10 minutes. Make sure we get all the pieces here. We fried the meat for about 10 minutes. Now we will remove the meat from the pot. In the same pot, we will add our vegetables and fry the vegetables the same for 10 minutes. Mix them very well to get all the flavor from the butter and the turkey. After we fried the vegetables for 10 minutes, we put the meat back. And now some water, just to make it full. We put some salt, as much as you want. We put almost half a spoon of salt, pepper, and some Oriental spices. We like to put a lot of curry and turmeric, generous with this, and paprika powder. Mix it together and let it boil for half an hour, 45 minutes. We let the soup boil for about 1 hour, slow cooking, small fire. This is how it looks now. We stop the fire. Now we'll take with the ladle from the soup and put it in this bowl. Mix it so the idea here is to be the same temperature as the soup. and then put it back in the soup. And this is how we have the nice color of the soup. And for the final touch, you put the parsley and any greens you like. Now you put the lid and you let it rest for a while.